Hey guys, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the gold daily chart here. I'm going to go over some specific levels here that I really think that you need to be paying attention to in the near term, as well as the long term, because we're clearly seeing some reactions to it already. So before I get into this video, what I want you guys to do is visit us here on the home page of the website and just get to know us better, because when you get to know us better, you're going to see everything that the service has to offer when you sign up and you join today. And we want to get to know you better too. The other cool thing about when you visit us here on the website is you're also going to be able to see what other traders are saying about the membership. You're going to see real testimonials from real traders, real people who are inside the membership, and hear what they have to say about it, because, you know, it's one thing for me to talk about my own membership, you know, because of course I'm going to say that I have the best service out there, and I really truly believe that, guys, you know, because our members are happy and they're making money and they're happy enough to leave us these testimonial videos and reviews, and so on and such forth. And the cool part also is that when you sign up and join today, you're also getting instant access to the same profitable trading alerts that our current members are getting and talking about in their reviews and their testimonials. So, you know, if you're sick and tired of losing money in the market, or if you're sick and tired of lacking consistency, winning one week, losing the next 2 weeks, and your account never grows or goes anywhere, then you need to sign up and join right here, because you guys, it's not your fault if you haven't been successful up until this point. I really mean that, guys. But it is going to be your fault if you don't do something about it when you have the opportunity to make a change. And when you sign up today, you're getting instant access to the profitable trading alerts that are sent directly to your cell phone, so you don't have to worry about going over a bunch of charts or analysis or anything like that, because we've got you covered, and you can rely on our over decade of experience of making money in the market to help you out so that you can start making money in the market. So if you're sick and tired of losing in the market, or if you're looking for a new way, then you got to sign up and join. And you guys, we are raising the prices here soon. We're seeing a big jump in membership. As you can see in the bottom left-hand side of the screen right now, it shows that's a live count of how many people are viewing the page here. Almost 2,000 people, and we're growing a lot. And so the reason we're raising the prices here, guys, is because we want to keep the community really tight-knit so that we can serve all of you at the highest possible level. I mean, that's what you want, right? So that's why we're raising the prices here. So the reason I'm telling you this is so that you don't wait, because if you wait to sign up, not only are you going to have to pay that higher membership rate that we're raising it to, but you're also going to miss out on all the winning trades that we're going to be releasing here very soon. We do very well. We did well last week. We're probably going to do well this coming up week. So you got to sign up now if you want those trades and if you want this lower rate. All right, so let's get into this chart. All right, so I want to back it up. This is the gold daily chart. Clearly, we've gotten a bounce here. I want to back it up from a longer term perspective. All right, so here's the weekly chart. All right, going back, let me see here. So I actually switched it to the monthly here, guys, because the far back it goes is 2006. And what I'm talking about is this major uptrend line that started back here, 2006. You can see it started here. We've got several bounces back here, 2006, 2007, 2008. Here's a bounce. And for all of you people saying, oh, well, this doesn't matter, it's so long ago, well, I beg to differ. From my over decade of experience, I can tell you that that's very, very wrong. Everything on the chart matters, especially what's happened a long time ago, because that's what happens is when people forget to go and look back, that's when they miss out on trading opportunities. But we do that a lot here at the Trading Analyst. We look at all of the information. So here's that bounce, that last bounce, 2008. Here's another one in the more recent action. Now we're getting into more recent action. I'll switch to the weekly. You can see that there's a bounce, 2016. And here we are bouncing off of this same trend line once again in the more recent action, I'm going to switch now to the daily chart here. And as you can see, that's the trend line that I've been talking about right here. And here we are bouncing right off of it. And as you can see, we also bounced not only off that trend line, but against this support. We bounced at it previously right here. So I definitely think that, obviously we've already reacted to it right now, but I'm kind of just telling you guys because, we called for this huge breakdown right here on gold. And additionally, we called for that additional breakdown right here once we broke that support. So it happened, it hit our target, and now we're looking for potentially a continuation of this bounce to move higher. But just keep in mind, we're still in a downtrend, okay? We're still in a downtrend right here, and this could be an oversold bounce, all right? So here's how I'm going to play it, is if we head back lower into about below 118 to 117, I'm going to be looking for bounce signals once again, okay? We got a bounce signal right here with this 3-day pattern right here. Here's a first day right there, and then the second day is this big red day right here, and as you can see, it closed below the previous day's low, all right? That's day 2, and then we have day 3, which is this day right here, gap up with a close over the previous day's high right there. It's a 3-day reversal pattern. We covered it a lot within the service, and it works out more oftentimes than not, and it predicts a lot of big moves. So we saw that here on gold. And just to kind of give you an idea, the last time we saw it was, I believe, over here was that 3-day pattern. And as you can see, we had a nice little bounce since then. We got a bounce there, and then we continued higher after there. We even saw that 3-day pattern right here. There's that 3-day pattern, boom, and it led to higher prices, okay? So, and a lot of times the moves are even bigger than that. So you really got to pay attention to that pattern here, guys. Take some notes, and it'll help you out and make you money in the market. So thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video. I really hope that it's going to help you out. That's why we make these videos, is to help you make money in the market. And if you're interested in taking your trading up another level, taking it up a notch, and playing with the big boys, and if you're sick and tired of losing money in the market and lacking consistency, if you're sick and tired of winning one week, losing the next 2, and on again, and your account never really goes anywhere, we've all been there, okay? It's not your fault. But again, I want to remind you, it is going to be your fault if you don't actually do something about it. In order to make a change, you actually have to do something that will make that change for you. So that change is joining the tradinganalyst.com premium membership, because when you join, you're getting instant access to the profitable trading alerts that are sent directly to your cell phone in real time, so you can trade from anywhere at any time. If you've got a job, no worries. You can trade from your phone. If you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, you can trade from home doing that. As long as you've got your cell phone on you, you're going to be able to participate in these profitable trading alerts, guys. And again, we are raising the prices here really soon, and I don't want you to miss out. I don't want you to have to pay that higher rate, okay? In addition to that, I don't want you to pay the higher rate, but I also don't want you to miss out on these trade alerts that we have going on this week. And as long as you keep waiting, you're going to keep missing out on trades, and you're going to have to pay that rate that's higher than it is right now. So take this opportunity and join the premium membership community and start making winning trades as early as tomorrow. All right, guys, this is Taylor. I'm signing off. I'll see you next time. I hope to see you inside the membership so we can start helping you make money in the market.